New Braun Silk-épil 9 Flex makes epilation fast, efficient and convenient as never before for incredibly smooth skin. The world's first epilator with a fully flexible head effortlessly keeps in contact with your skin and smoothly adapts to your contours. The new slim ergonomic handle with anti-slip grip is easy to hold even when epilating wet. Braun Silk-épil 9 Flex has all you need for beautiful skin. Use the shaver head to shave and trim your sensitive areas easily. Experience Braun's best epilator. As easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax. New Braun Silk-épil 9 Flex. Full flexibility, weeks of smooth skin.